Bitcoin is crashing right now. Even though the Fed did not increase interest rates for the first time in 15 months, yesterday Jerome Powell stated that they plan to rise interest rates again later this year. And this is the reason why Bitcoin lost 4% in just 1 hour, guys. And in this video I'm going to talk about that, and also I'm going to show you the most important Bitcoin charts, because we have to pay attention right now as Bitcoin is testing very important levels. And if we break this support at 25,000 US dollars, then guys, we are in real trouble. And so make sure to watch this video till the end, like and subscribe, and let's go straight into the content. As you can see here, Bitcoin broke the support of this symmetrical triangle and it went down by 4%. And guys, right now we got supported by the 24,900 US dollars, and we got another bounce at that level, forming this double bottom, which is not that significant to see it on the daily chart, but at least is giving us a sign that we may see a bounce at this level. And as I'm going to show you later in this video, right now we are testing a very important level. That's why I believe we are going to get a bounce right now in the next hours. And guys, also let me show you that here on the 4 hours chart we are still trading in a downtrend, and so we may continue to go lower, but still, I'm going to show you that important level at 25k where we may get supported. And in fact, if we check the daily chart, you can clearly see that this blue trend line, which we've been forming since January 2023, has been providing support here, and it may give us support as well here when we are crossing this other measure support at 25,000 US dollars. And in fact, as you can see here in previous price action, we tested this support as resistance, and then we lost approximately 20%. And then when we tested this resistance again, we then broke it and we saw a pump till 31,000 US dollars. So this is a very significant support level for Bitcoin, and it is crossing with this blue trend line, which also may give us support now. And that's why I'm telling you that we may get supported by the 25,000 US dollars and get a bounce here and continue this uptrend on the daily chart. And these guys would be very bullish for us and for Bitcoin. And now on a even higher time frame, you can see that on the weekly chart we have this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and guys, this is pretty bullish of course, and we already broke out of the neckline and we did not reach the target yet, which is at 34,000 US dollars, but we may still get there as we are testing the 25,000 US dollars, which is the neckline, as I said already, and we are testing it again as support. And this is giving us a chance for getting a bounce here and continue this uptrend and get to the target here at 34,000 US dollars, guys. However, if we check again the daily chart, you can see that we broke out of this handle, out of this cup and handle pattern. And guys, of course, this is a bad sign, but we are still getting supported by this key support, which I already showed you at 25,000 US dollars. So even though we broke out of this handle, we may still have a possibility to get inside the pattern again and continue to go up, as I truly believe we are going to get a bounce here. But I want to show you, what if we do not get a bounce? Where are we going to go? Well, the next big support level is all the way down at 23,000 US dollars, as you can see here, because in previous price action we touched this level and it acted as very important resistance and support level, as you can see here. And in fact, we got rejected here, and then if you check previous price action, you can see that this level acted as strong level for Bitcoin. And as you can see here, even in previous years, we have this level showing us very important significance. And here again, it was working as resistance and we got rejected multiple times. So of course, this is a very significant level for Bitcoin, and I see it as the next big support after 25k. So if we go down and break the 25k level, we may still get a bounce at 23,000 US dollars. And there's good news, because even if we get to 23,000 US dollars, as you can see here, we would preserve this important uptrend that we've been forming on the daily chart since November 2022. And so guys, do not get scared too much here. The market is going crazy. I know it's kind of bad news from the Fed. Actually, I was perceiving it as a good news, because they never stopped rising interest rates in the last 15 months. And now for the first time, they decided to keep it stable. But of course, they said we will keep increasing probably the interest rates in the future and this year as well. So the market reacted pretty badly. And guys, I know the market is crazy, but we know that Bitcoin is extremely undervalued right now, as I showed you in my video that I uploaded yesterday, where I predict the price of Bitcoin by the end of 2023 in this macroeconomic environment, which is changing drastically in favor of Bitcoin because more banks are falling, guys, and the US dollar is devaluating. And so, guys, let's actually take advantage of this situation, of this market crash. Let's accumulate more Bitcoin. Of course, this is not financial advice, but if you studied Bitcoin and you like it, I cannot stop you from buying it, right? And so, guys, I think for today I showed you everything. And if you like this video, please share a like so that more people can watch it, and share a comment as well and tell me what you think about this analysis and what do you think about the future of Bitcoin in the next hours and days. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and watch my video where I predict the price of Bitcoin in 2023, and see you in the next video.